What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys how I made 26 euros from a survey platform called Clickworker. I'm going to teach you step by step how I made it happen and how you're going to register and so on. So let me show you. It's very easy. You just need to do one or two things and they're going to give you your own 26 euros if you just follow what I'm about to show you. So first, what you're going to do, I'm going to show you how I the proof of payment and my withdrawal, and I'm going to show you the alert I got from Clickworker after I did the necessary tasks. So what I did is, after I downloaded the app. The link of the app is going to be in my description. So once you have learned how I did it, you can click my description below and go and do your and follow the procedure I will show you right now. So once you have downloaded the app, as you can see I've already withdrawn my own payments. Once you do the tax, it's going to show in this place that you have done it. Then after 30 days they are going to show, it's going to enter payable. Once you enter payable, then you're going to get your money directly into your Pioneer. After you have done the tax, you link your Pioneer to your Clickworker. Then after you have linked your Pioneer to your Clickworker, it will not be up to 5 hours. Pioneer is going to transfer the money, convert the money from euros, and send it back to you, to your bank account that you have selected, that you have already slotted in Pioneer. So let me show you the tax that I did that earned me the 26 euros. I did this tax. This photo tax is a tax that's in Clickworker. If you're new to Clickworker, once you register, you're going to see the tax. The tax is just, you to tell you should send them your photos, many of your selfies. If you give them many of your selfies, and they are going to give you money in for you selling your selfies to them. So what you're going to do, once you register, you're going to see this tax. If you're in Nigeria, they pay you 26 euros for doing the tax. So once you click, for me, I've already done the tax. The tax is, as you can see, I've already passed the screening. And once you pass the screening, you're going to wait for like 30 days before they approve you that you have qualified. Once you have, like, if you're a person that have up to like 20 to 100 selfies in your phone, that is your 26 euros is just slipping in your account. What you have to do is, you just have to go to your gallery and go to Play Store. Once you go to Play Store, let's go to Play Store. Once you go to Play Store, you type Google Photos. Let's type Google Photos. Once you go to Google Photos, you download Google Photos in your browser. Once you download it in your browser, you're going to transfer all your pictures in your gallery to your Google Photos. You transfer all your pictures in your gallery to your Google Photos. Once you transfer it to once you download the Google Photos app, you transfer your gallery, the pictures from your Google Photos to your gallery from your gallery to your Google Photos. Once you have transferred to your Google Photos, then you click on the tags in Clickworker. Once you click the tags on the Clickworker, then you transfer the you connect your Google Photos account with the Clickworker. Once you do it, you wait for 30 days. The Clickworker is going to send, they are going to approve the tax you do, and they are going to give you $26, sorry, just for giving them your photos. It's very easy, like there's no stress there. First, what did I say? You download Google Photos first before you even click on the tax. Just download Google Photos first. After you have downloaded Google Photos, you go to the Clickworker. Once you have registered, the tax is just going to be there waiting for you. Once you have clicked on the Google Photos, you have downloaded the Google Photos, you have transferred your pictures from your gallery to your Google Photos, then you click on the Clickworker tax and do the assignment. If you're in Ghana have their own rate, but in Nigeria rate is 26 euros for doing the tax. Then let me show you my proof of payment. Let's go to my payment details. As you can see, once you have done the tax, you connect your Pioneer. I'm going to teach you how I created my Pioneer. I'm going to teach you how to create Pioneer in my next video, but I'm still going to show you one or two things in this video. As you can see, this is my payment. I connected my Pioneer account, and also once you are seeing tax, this tax information, just mark it yes, that you're taking responsibility for anything. Because if you do not click confirm in that your tax information, they are not still going to approve your payment. Let me show you the proof of payments. Let me show you my invoice that I got for doing the tax and receiving the payment. They paid it. Look at the invoice. As you can see the invoice, they paid me 8th of January 2025. The amount they gave me, you can see the amount. As you can see the amount, 26 euros. They gave me 26 euros just for sending them my pictures. And you can see the tax. Let's show you. Let me go back to the place. Let me show you for doing this tax, they gave me 26 euros, guys. So that is, because they say contribute at least 100 photos, but me, I did not contribute up to 100 photos. I gave them just 25, let's say 25 selfies, because they ask more of selfies. It's not like full pictures, they ask more of selfies. So that is what I want to share you guys. It's just free money. Just download Clickworker. You can go to my description below and click on the link and download Clickworker. Once you download Clickworker, you will see the tax is just going to show up here. The tax is going to show up here. Is this tax? It looks like this. Look, this girl, it's like the tax. So it's going, so first you're a new person, you have not registered the Clickworker. If you have downloaded Clickworker before and you mistakenly click on the tax and you did not do it, I would advise you to create another account, a new account with a new Google account, and make sure you use Gmail, because if Gmail you use, you connect your tax to your Google Photos, so that you can transfer, they can access your pictures in your Google Photos, and so that they can approve your job. If they do not approve your job, the 26 euros is not going to be payable. So once you have transferred your pictures to your Google Photos and connect your Gmail account with your Clickworker, they are going to access the pictures so that they can approve and pay you your money. So that is that. Very simple. Let me even show you my Pioneer. That's as I got the payments. Around 8th of January. This is my Pioneer. Let's wait for it to open. Let's wait for it to open. So it's very easy, $26 to make. As you can see, guys, as you can see, this is the money I got as of 8th of January when I got paid. 26 euros. Very easy money, just by sending them your 20 of your selfies, and you're going to get easy 26 euros. Let me click on it. So this is like the money I got from Clickworker. As you can see, 26 euros to naira, as you can see, is 40,000 naira. Very easy, guys. Very easy. Exchange rate 1.5. Transfer amount they gave me was 40,500. Very easy, just by giving them 25 to 30 of my selfies, and they gave me this money. So what did I say? You first and download Google Photos. After you have downloaded Google Photos, you download the Clickworker app, you register. After you have registered, you do the tax and connect your Pioneer to your Clickworker. Then you wait for the verification, which takes 30 days. After 30 days, they approve your work and you get paid. So thanks, guys. I hope if you have any question to ask me, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. And also click the notification bell, subscribe, and support the channel, and expect my next videos. My next video, I'll be talking how to create a Pioneer account and how to connect it to the Clickworker. For those that can't do it themselves, I'm going to create a video on how to connect your Pioneer to your Clickworker, and also know how to bypass the tax details so that you can be able to get paid. So watch out for my next videos, guys. So thank you guys for staying to this moment to watch my videos, and see you in the next video. Bye.